Hey everyone, so we're here at a customer's location. We are going to trim it out today. We pre-wired this house about 6 or 7 months ago for whole home Wi-Fi and 5.1 surround. So we're back today to mount the ceiling speakers. Gary's doing that now. We're going to terminate the Cat 6 cables, and then we're going to go ahead and put the banana plugs on the speaker cables in the lower right base cabinet. And we're also going to be mounting the 4 Ubiquiti access points as part of this trim out today. Hope you enjoy the video. So we had to cut out the cabinet because the sheetrockers sheetrocked over our 1-gang box, so did the cabinet makers. Here's the pre-wire for the office/study access point. Here you're looking at the U6 light mount attached to the 1-gang box with that 3D adapter. And here's a look at the finished product. So we ended up repeating the same mounting process for the remaining 3 access points. The cables coiled up on the left side of the cabinet are the ones we ran and terminated. The ones on the right are unterminated. They were run by the electrician. So we'll be back to the house one more time. The final time we'll mount the router, the switch, and any other peripherals, including a surge protector. We'll also be there when the ISP is there to light up the house so that we can make sure our networking equipment is talking to theirs. Okay, we're back 1 month after the trim out to install the 7.1 sound system, mount the TV, and finish up the network structured wiring cabinet. All the components will be listed down in the video description. Here's a look at the Atmos speakers. To the left is an OSD audio wireless subwoofer kit. There's the AVR. That's the Denon AVR X2700H receiver. Here's another look, another angle looking at the Atmos speaker. They're designed to sit on top of the bookshelf speakers. In this clip here, Gary's marking out his studs. We got the template on the wall. The trick with the mantle mount is to figure out all the math so you leave enough clearance to clear the top of the fireplace mantle. This is the actual pull-down section of the mount. This is the piece that gets fastened to the wall. Here you can see we have it secured to the wall. Gary's just putting on the top plate so that we can go ahead and get the TV hung. Here's a rear view look of the completed mantle mount. The trick here is to make sure you leave enough cabling so the homeowner can pull the TV down to the desired position. And finally, here's a look at the network structured wiring cabinet. At the head end, we have an EdgeRouter X SFP, a Unify 16-port switch light. You can see here that the cabling is all neatly secured and everything is labeled. If you want to see more content like this, please click the video on the screen. Thank you so much for watching.